Car Shipping Avon, Alabama, Premium Auto Transport. Avon is a small, agrarian town on the southeastern corner of Houston County in Alabama. The US 84 offers the most important connection between the town and other parts of the country. It passes through the northern border of the town while running from east to west. With less than 1,000 residents, shipping cars to or from Avon might come at great pains. With less than 1,000 residents, Avon is a quiet little town, and due to size you won't find many businesses in the local sector. But there are many great places that locals enjoy spending time together in neighboring cities, including Dothan and Ashford, just a mile or so outside of town. From the Blue Plate restaurant to Cookie's Corner Cafe, visitors will find several enticing restaurants where a good, home-cooked meal can be consumed. There are also several local parks with walking trails, great places for nature hikes, and playground equipment for children within a short drive. Avon offers a locale with affordable rent as well as lower sales prices on homes, which makes it a great area to live while you commute 15 or 20 minutes to a neighboring city or town for work. Avon Auto Transport has worked with Avon residents for more than 20 years to reliably ship cars to and from the area. And since we work closely with the town, we know the most economical routes to take to get your car delivered as fast as possible.